I'm about to blow your mind and show you the best way to create Facebook cover photos, okay? I know Canva has a template, but I don't use the Facebook cover template for Canva, okay? Because there is a reason why, and I am about to blow your mind and show you. Okay, so if you check out this cover photo that I have right here, we're gonna click on it. And I'm going to take you through a journey of all of my cover photos because I want you to see how well they work. Okay. So we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. And if you notice, only a little bit of the end is going to be cut off in my photos. So I want to capture everything in this middle. Whereas if you use the Canva template for Facebook photos, the top and bottom is cut off as well. And so this is the perfect size so that you do not have to worry about that. Okay. It is the size I have used for years. It is my favorite hack. And I'm about to blow your mind and show you how to do this for you. Okay, so this is one of my recent designs that I did. I upgraded a program and renamed it and rebranded it. And so you can see here that this is very similar to the size. And let me show you what we just did here. This also works for groups too, by the way, and business pages. It really doesn't matter. But you can see if I tap on this, we're really not cutting much of this off at the end, just maybe a couple, like the end of the swirl, but it really captures this and how it looks really, really well. Okay. So very similar to this one. This may cut off my head just a tad, but we can fix that. We can scroll my head down just a little bit on both of these. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to upload these and how well it is going to look in my Facebook group. Okay. Again, it'll be the same for your profile. So whichever one that you want to put it on will work. Okay. So you're going to download this and I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to look. And there we go. You can see that it fits in perfectly. I moved my two heads in a little bit closer because I knew it would just cut off just a little bit of the end, but the top and the bottom fit perfectly. And that's why I love using this instead of the Facebook template. So how do you find this template inside of Canva? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you. So if you go up here and you see at the top, you see the Twitter, it says Twitter. You can see that we use the Twitter header. I know, it's crazy, right? So when you want to do this, you go into Canva and you create design and you type in Twitter and you're going to get Twitter post, Twitter header. Twitter header is what you want. Here's the other genius thing. This also works on LinkedIn cover photos as well. And obviously it'll work on X or Twitter if you use that platform as well. But I use this specifically for Facebook and LinkedIn, and it works so well. My Facebook groups, it works well. My Facebook business pages, it works so well. And so this is always my go-to hack. And so I'm so excited that you get to see this now too. Again, I would just have just a little bit on the ends right here. Just make sure that's not the most important thing. You want to put all the majority of the information in the middle and then just design out at the end. So if that's cut off, it's not a big deal anyhow. So I hope you enjoyed this hack. I hope you take advantage of it and make sure you share with me the results so that I can see your new cover photos.